Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Busy Bird's toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. The Busy Bird's Cork Scarecrow toy is a delightful addition to your bird's playtime. Featuring natural cork pieces and a variety of natural bird-safe materials, this toy is perfect for chewing and shredding. Its unique scarecrow design adds a playful charm, making it an engaging choice for cages or play areas. Order yours today.